Are you struggling to find out where you can get an internship? Are you keen to study next year but not sure where they offer the course you're interested in? Have you heard about learnerships but not sure how to get to one? Well, I've got great news for you. Careers Portal is your one-stop website where you'll find all the information you need on the latest learnerships, internships, and entry-level jobs that are available across the country. If you're keen to study next year, you'll also find tons of information on accredited colleges and universities where you can study towards certificates, diplomas, and degrees. If you're not sure how you'll pay for your studies, we can help you out there as well. We have extensive listing of all bursaries, scholarships, and study loans that are available in South Africa. So have a look at www.careersportal.co.za. The website is updated daily, so make sure to register for email updates.